Welcome to the Wolver channel, your virtuous ticket to crypto legendary. Gear up and metamorphose your crypto dreams into a breathtaking reality. Shake off modesty and submerge completely into our fail-safe roadmap on forging tokens with relentless passion and precision. In mere minutes, we'll unlock the mysteries of birthing your own token on any blockchain. No experience required, no alibis allowed. Trail these steps like they're your chart to glory, and let's conjure crypto sorcery together this instant. Step 1. Remixeth the spark that ignites your quest. Fire up your browser and make a beeline for remix.eth. This is where the commencement of your crypto odyssey awaits. Step 2. Create your token blueprint, the bedrock of your realm. Forge a fresh file with an impactful name, such as mytoken.sol beak. That .sol suffix opens doors to the crypto cosmos. Step 3. Include your contract code, your game plan for triumph. Lacking a contract? No problem. Catch me on Telegram, links below, and I'll send over a contract tailored for your triumph. Step 4. Assemble the magnum opus of your token creation, transforming vision into legend. Head to the Solidity Compiler tab, pick the perfect edition, and hit compile. Witness that vivacious green, you're on track to greatness. Step 5. Breath life into your token on the blockchain, making reality out of dream. Sync your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or another, and select your network. Ethereum, BSC, Polygon. Let your spirit guide you. Tweak that gas fee for peak performance in WIA. Input those pivotal token elements. Pick a moniker bold as your ambitions. Decide your token's future with the total supply. Craft an emblem potent enough to be remembered. Deploy it and commence your crypto saga. Final step, embrace your creator status. You're the orchestrator of this token galaxy. Got hold of that contract address? Add the token to your wallet. You're now the sovereign of your crypto dominion. If this resonates with you, hit that heart button and fuel the Wolver channel's passion. Subscribe for more electrifying insights and strategies to lead you to victory. Activate notifications so no groundbreaking scoop escapes you. Need the code? Let's hit the ground running. Reach out swiftly on Telegram, links provided, and snatch your smart contract code into your hands, ready for action.